Hello, very good day to all of you. Multiplication trick. 7 5s are 35. Now 77 multiplied by 5. We are going to multiply 7 with 5. 3, 5, 35. We are going to give a little gap. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. So we'll see that there is 1 7. So we'll write 1 8 over here. 7 7 7 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. We'll give a gap between them. There are 2 7s. So we'll write 2 8s over here. 7 5s are 35. 3, give a gap, write 5. 1, 2, 3. So we'll write 3 8s over here. Isn't that easy? Likewise, 7 5s are 35. We'll write 3 and 5 over here. And now we'll count 1, 2, 3 and 4 7s are there. So we'll write 4 8s over here. So this is the answer. Now let me know the answer for the last one in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and follow. Stay tuned for the next video.